Hi guys, today I'm recording a video from my new car. Yeah, it was really surprising, but we got me a new car. We just went to look for a new car, but we got really good offer and we were like, why not? So today I'm recording from my new car and I just decided, okay, it's time to get back to creative field. I already recorded a video, short video. It will be up today on my YouTube channel. Hopefully I will be able to edit it, but it's hilarious. Today we gonna do the task number 62. What is happening in the windows? So again, I'm repeating myself. We're gonna create something funny and very entertaining. What first came to my mind is a family, a grandma who's dancing hip hop. Let's draw a grandma. Yoo-hoo! She's dancing hip hop. I'm gonna draw like this. And then we're gonna draw mom who plays with Lego. I'm repeating that I'm trying to create something some kind of unrealistic and very funny. So a mom who is playing Lego and kids who teach mom how to play Lego. Because we usually, as parents, we teach our kids that they do something wrong. I always teach Evelyn, you have to use a napkin. You have to use a cup to drink water. You cannot drink from the tap. Sometimes she tries when she's taking bath. Then what role we're gonna give to a father? Let's give him some feminine role. Neat? Yeah, let him knit. And he is knitting a skirt for mom. Okay. Long skirt. I just draw it like this. Okay, next window. What we gonna place or what we can see in the next one? Geese. Geese who are painting the walls. Okay, and let's also add a cat who is supervising them. Then in the next one we're gonna have a sky. We're gonna draw here a sky. I'm gonna draw very fast some stars. Okay, stars. And over there the stars will have hands who will browse. Stars have hands who would surf the internet. Who surf the internet. And what are they gonna browse? They will be browsing how to start the engine of the car without electricity or without petrol. Okay, so we have two more windows. So let's think of two more. Gold mine. I even don't know how to draw it. I told you in my previous videos that I'm not that good at drawing, but I already bought a book how to draw in Harry Potter style. So hopefully one day I will be really good at drawing. Okay, so gold mine, and they found their Apple phones. Apple phones. Apple phones. Phones. And here, let's complicate it. I'm thinking about something circular. Then they got those Apple phones, and they just lifted from the ground, and those phones can be charged with solar power. Kind of realistic, but not really. So let's draw a sun which can charge our phones, Apple phones. Okay, one more. Let's think of what we can think of. Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, it's in front of me. Let's think of Louis Vuitton machine which produces strawberries. Strawberries. Let's draw the window here. Strawberry. Strawberry, and strawberry would be covered in chocolate. It's just because I ate today strawberries and I'm like, oh, I have to lose some weight. But I don't know, it's complicated, you know, like relationship status. Complicated. My status with strawberry also complicated. Okay, let's see, maybe we can create something else. Oh, I talked for 7 minutes and it's getting dark here. No, I'll record next video next day because I want to record a short video. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye! For the curious guys, this is my brand new car. You know what I like about this car? That I can start it with my fingerprint. Yep. And also I like that here absolutely everything touchscreen, even these lights here. You just touch and that's it. Oof. And here's me. Evelyn is always over there and I'm driving like this very comfortably. Thank you, my husband. You see, I'm placing my fingerprint and it is logging me in. What I love about this car is this place. I missed it. It was so needed. And also this extra shelf.